legal frameworks and regulations in fertility care, licensing and accreditation requirements for fertility clinics. Introduction: Importance of licensing and accreditation in fertility clinics. Licensing and accreditation ensure quality, safety, and ethical standards in fertility care. Regulatory bodies enforce compliance with national and international healthcare standards. Proper accreditation builds trust and credibility for fertility clinics. 1. Key differences between licensing and accreditation. Licensing, mandatory legal requirement for operating a fertility clinic. Issued by government health authorities, e.g., FDA, Ministry of Health. Ensures legal compliance with fertility treatment standards. Accreditation. Voluntary process to meet higher quality standards. Conducted by independent healthcare organizations, e.g., JCI, ISO, ESHRE. Demonstrates commitment to excellence and patient safety. Key distinctions: factor, licensing, accreditation. Mandatory? Yes, required by law. No, but highly recommended. Regulated by government agencies, independent accreditation bodies. Focus: compliance with basic legal requirements, high quality patient care, and best practices. 2. Licensing requirements for fertility clinics. 1. Facility and infrastructure standards. Clinics must have approved laboratory facilities for ART procedures, compliance with infection control and biohazard waste management, proper storage and monitoring of embryos, gametes, and reproductive tissues. 2. Medical staff licensing. Physicians must be board-certified reproductive specialists. Embryologists and lab technicians require specialized ART training. Nursing staff must meet fertility care qualifications. 3. Compliance with national health regulations. Clinics must register with the National Health Ministry or regulatory body. Periodic inspections to ensure safety and compliance. Reporting and documentation of fertility treatment outcomes. 4. Ethical and legal considerations. Clinics must adhere to informed consent protocols, restrictions on embryo creation, storage, and destruction, laws regarding donor gametes, surrogacy, and patient rights. 3. Accreditation standards for fertility clinics. First, international accreditation bodies. Joint Commission, International JCI, Global Standard for Fertility Care, European Society of Human Reproduction and Embryology, ESHRE, Quality Assurance in RT, ISO 15189, Laboratory Quality Management System Certification, College of American Pathologists, TAP, ART Laboratory Standards. 2. Patient safety and quality assurance. Compliance with best practices in embryo handling and ART procedures. Regular audit of treatment success rates and safety protocols. Patient-centered care, including counseling and ethical considerations. 3. Data protection and confidentiality standards. compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, or equivalent patient data protection laws, secure handling of patient records and genetic information. 4. Continuous training and development. Clinics must provide ongoing education for fertility specialists, implementation of new ART advancements and innovations, regular peer reviews and clinical audits to ensure high standards. 4. Case study. Licensing and accreditation in a leading fertility clinic. Scenario: a new fertility clinic in the United Kingdom seeks to open an ART facility. The clinic applies for licensing from the Human Fertilization and Embryology Authority, HFEA. To enhance credibility, it also pursues ESHRE accreditation for compliance with European ART standards. Regulatory challenges identified: strict guidelines on embryo storage and patient consent, data privacy regulations regarding donor identity and patient confidentiality, compliance with ART success rate, reporting and ethical considerations. Outcome: the clinic successfully meets HFEA licensing requirements, achieves ESHRE accreditation, gaining international recognition, becomes a leading fertility center with high patient trust and quality assurance. Conclusion: ensuring compliance in fertility clinics. Licensing ensures legal operation, while accreditation guarantees quality excellence. Regulatory compliance protects a patient's safety, ethical ART practices, and clinic credibility. Continuous audits, training, and adherence to international standards ensure best practices in fertility care.